Hello students, my name is Kritika. I am your computer digital mentor. Today we are going to learn many interesting chapters of computer. So let's start our 7th, that is logo, commands and procedure. So students, before we start our chapter, we have some lesson objectives. Understand basic feature and function of MSW and logo. Identify the various components of MSW logo screen. Knowing the logo procedures. Now we have some warm-up question, that is say yes or no. You have to write yes or no in the given blank. First, can computer understand our language? क्या कंप्यूटर को हमारी भाषा समझ आती है? Second, can logo be used to draw figures? क्या लोगो का इस्तेमाल figures यानी pictures बनाने में किया जा सकता है? Third, can logo be used in calculation? क्या हम किसी लोगो का इस्तेमाल कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए कर सकते हैं? Now students, let's start our chapter. So our first topic is what is logo? A quick recap. Logo is a programming language used for drawing pictures. You need to know and learn the logo commands to draw simple pictures. Logo stand for logic oriented, graphic oriented. It refers to an image, emblem or symbol used to represent formatting. So students, here you can see the pictures of logo. Logo has a pen called a turtle which can be instructed to draw pictures. Turtle in logo is called so because the first version of logo used an electronic robot which is resembled a turtle. Now students, our next topic is logo screen. Logo screen is split into two parts. Logo screen को दो parts में divide किया गया है. The first part is main screen and the second is commander window. So students, let's learn about main screen in detail. Main screen is also known as the graphic screen. It is the place to draw pictures or figures. The triangle shape in the center of the graphic screen is called turtle. Turtle moves on the screen according to the commands given by you. These commands are also known as primitives. Now students, let's learn about commander window in detail. The commander window is placed to given commands to the turtle. The commander window has three important components. Now students, let's learn about these three components in detail. So our first component is command input box. It is where you type commands in and execute them by clicking on the execute button or by pressing the enter key on the keyboard. Next, it is located in the bottom left portion of the commander window. Now students, our next component is output or command recall list box. Displays and record all the commands that are executed and also any message which are output as a result of these commands. It is located above the command input box. Now students, our third component is execute buttons, similar to the enter button on the keyboard. Now students, let's jump to our next topic, that is basic logo command. We have already learnt few basic logo commands that are FD or forward to move turtle forward by specified steps. Next is back or BK to move the turtle backward by specified numbers of steps. Next is right or RT to turn the turtle towards right through specified numbers of degrees. Next is left or LT to turn the turtle towards left through specified numbers of degrees. So now students, let's learn about command 1. Command pen up or PU function. The PU command is lifts the turtle pen so that it does not draw a line while moving. Syntax PU and enter. So students, here you can see the picture of command 1. Now students, let's learn about command 2. Command pen down or PD function. The PD command puts the turtle pen down so that it again start drawing while moving. PD command is given only after PU command has already been used. Syntax is PD or enter. Now students, here you can see the picture of command 2. Now students, let's learn about command 3. Command hide turtle or HT. Function HT command hide the display of the turtle. Syntax HT or enter. Now students, here you can see the picture of command 3. Next we have command 4. Command show turtle or ST. Function is ST command is used to display the turtle on the screen. It can be used only after the HT command has been used. The syntax is ST or enter. Now students, here you can see the picture of command 4. Now our next command is command 5. Command clear screen or CS. Function is CS command erase all the drawing on the screen and clears the main screen or the graphic screen and also brings the turtle to the center of screen. Syntax is CS or enter. Now students, here you can see the picture of command 5. Now we have command 6. Command is repeat. Function repeat command allow to repeat a set of commands many times. Now syntax repeat n set of commands, then enter, where n is the number of times a set commands has to be repeated. Example, repeat 4, that is FD40RT90. Result, the repeat command will run the commands FD40 and RT90 times to complete the square. Now we have command 7. You have drawn shapes and figures by moving the turtle with the help of various logo commands, but you cannot use these commands to write any text or message on the screen. Neither can you use these commands to carry out calculation like addition and subtraction on numbers. Sometimes you may want to write some messages or solve some logo. Logo provide you command to do so. You will learn how to print the message on the screen using the print command. Now students, let's learn about print command in detail. The print command in logo is used to print a text on the screen. The short form of print is PR. Message to be printed can consist of one or more words or over a sentence. The syntax of print command is print word or print sentence. Printing a word. So students, how will you print a word? Let's learn about it in detail. If you want to print a single word, the primitive name should be followed by an opening question mark before the word to be printed. Example, print logo. On executing this command, the word logo gets printed in the commander window. Now students, here you can see the interface of enter commander window. Now our next topic is printing a sentence. For displaying a message in the form of sentence, the message to be displayed should be included within a pair of square brackets. Example, print welcome to the world of logo. This command display the sentence written within the square bracket in the output command recall list box. So students, this kind of interface will be appear on the screen. Now our next topic is what is the procedure of a logo. Let's learn about it in detail. In logo, the commands are executed as and when entered. These commands do not get stored in memory. Till now, we have been writing commands one by one to draw figures. If the same figure is to be drawn again, the same set of command will have to be given again. Instead, if we want to save the set of command and give it a name, we can do it with the help of logo procedures. A procedure is useful if you want to reuse a certain set of commands. We can give a name to a set of commands and can recall it whenever needed. A procedure once defined can be stored in memory and can be called any time when required. A logo procedure provides a way to encapsulate a collection of commands given by user to perform any task. Once procedure has been created, it can be used just the way a built-in command is used. The meaning of a procedure is the meaning of its individual commands. A logo procedure is divided into three parts. There are three parts of logo procedure. The first one is title of the procedure, second one is set of instruction, and the third one is end line. So now students, let's learn about these procedures in detail. So our first procedure is the title of the procedure. This procedure can include letters, numbers or symbols. The first character should always be a letter. Blank space cannot be included. Arithmetic operators plus, minus, star and slash cannot be included in the name. Logo command name cannot be included. The title of the procedure is the name given to the procedure. Preferably, a procedure name should be such that it gives some information about the set of instruction. Now, our next procedure is writing a procedure. Writing a procedure using the input box. So, step 1 is click the command input box. Step 2, type 2 followed by a name for the procedure, for example 2 circle. Step 3, now press the enter key. Step 4, after pressing the enter key, the mode input box appears. Step 5, click inside the box. Step 6, enter the commands one after the other, pressing the enter key after each command. Step 7, type end to mark the end of the procedure. Now students, our next topic is writing or editing a logo procedure using the editor window. Now, to write a new procedure with the editor window, follow the following steps. So, our step 1 is click in the command input box and type edit square and press the enter key. Square is the name of a new procedure. Window appears as shown below. Now, step 2, insert a blank line after the line containing to square by pressing enter key. Now, step 3, type the command that you want to be included in the procedure. For example, CS FD40 RT90 FD40 RT90 FD40 RT90 and FD40. Then line and the end line. Now step 4, click on file in the menu bar for the editor window. Step 5, click on save and exit option in the drop down menu. Now students, our next topic is running a procedure. The meaning of procedure is the meaning of its individual commands. Running a procedure means executing the set of commands typed and saved in the procedure. A defined procedure can be called any time by simply typing the name of the procedure in the command input box. You can run a procedure by typing the name of the procedure, for example square, in the command input box and then press the enter key. So students, you can understand this by this interface shown on your screens. Let us look at a few examples of procedure. Our example 1 is procedure to draw a square. 2 square, repeat 4 FD40 RT90 and to run the procedure type square and press the enter key. A square gets drawn on the graphic screen as shown. Example 2, procedure to draw a circle. 2 circle, repeat 360 FD1 RT1 then end. To run the procedure, type circle and press the enter key. A circle is drawn in the graphic screen. Example 3, procedure to draw a triangle. 2 triangle, repeat 3 FD60 RT120 then end. So students, you can see this on your screens. Now students, what we have learned in this chapter, let's have a quick look on some की पॉइंट। लोगो इज अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज यूज्ड फॉर ड्राइंग पिक्चर्स। लोगो एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है जिसको पिक्चर्स बनाने के लिए यूज किया जाता है। लोगो हैज अ पेन कॉल्ड अ टर्टल। लोगो में एक पेन यूज किया जाता है जिसको टर्टल बोला जाता है। लोगो स्क्रीन इज स्प्लिट इनटू टू पार्ट्स, मेन स्क्रीन एंड कमांडर स्क्रीन। लोगो की स्क्रीन टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है। फर्स्ट वन इज मेन स्क्रीन, पहली मेन स्क्रीन है और दूसरी कमांडर विंडो। नेक्स्ट, लोगो प्रोसीजर इज अ सेट ऑफ लोगो कमांड्स given one after the other to perform a particular task and referred to by a name. लोगो प्रोसीजर एक लोगो कमांड्स का सेट है जिसको एक के बाद एक देना पड़ता है जिससे कि हम अपनी पिक्चर लोगो में ड्रॉ कर सकें। So students, this is it from this chapter. Soon we are going to learn about many interesting chapters of computer. Till then, revise what we learned today. Thank you.